Welcome back to the Loss of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan, and today I am going to discuss an important topic for those going through divorce or a child custody case, preparing for temporary orders hearing in Texas. Temporary orders hearings are critical because they set the ground rules for issues like child custody, child support, spousal support, and the use of property while divorce or custody case is pending. How you prepare for those hearings can significantly impact your case. So let's go over what you need to know. Temporary orders are put in place to maintain stability and to address the immediate needs of the parties involved in the divorce case or the custody case. In temporary orders hearings, a judge will make decisions that will temporarily govern the issues of who will have primary custody of the children, how much child support will be paid, whether spousal support is warranted, and who will have access to the marital home or vehicles. Here are some key issues that may be addressed during a temporary orders hearing. Child custody and visitation. The court will decide on temporary custody arrangement, outlining where the children will live and the visitation schedule for the non-custodial parent. Child support. The judge will establish temporary child support, the amount to ensure the children's financial needs are met during the case. Spousal support. If one spouse requires financial support during the divorce, the judge may order temporary spousal support. Use of property. The court may grant one party exclusive use of the marital home, vehicles, or other assets until final orders are issued. Let's take a real-life example. Sarah, who was going through a contentious divorce, Sarah and her husband had 2 young children, and they were fighting over who would be primary during the divorce. Additionally, Sarah had been a stay-at-home mom and needed financial support to cover her expenses while divorce was pending. The temporary orders hearing was crucial for Sarah because it would determine whether she would receive temporary child and spousal support and set the custody arrangement for the children. Sarah's attorney started by gathering evidence to support Sarah's case for primary custody, including records showing her involvement in the children's daily lives, their school and their medical records, and testimonies from teachers, family members who could attest to Sarah's role as the primary caregiver. Since Sarah was seeking spousal support, they gathered financial documents, including bank statements, tax returns, and her husband's income records. This documentation helped to establish the need for temporary support, and it showed that her husband had the means to provide it. Sarah was nervous about speaking in court, so her attorney spent time preparing for her testimony. They went over what she could expect during the hearing, the types of questions that she might be asked, and how to clearly and confidently present her case to the judge. Here are some key tips for preparing for a temporary orders hearing. Gather and organize all relevant evidence to support your case. This may include text messages, email, financial documents, school records, and any other documentation that can demonstrate your role as the primary parent and what your financial needs are. Be ready to explain why temporary orders you are requesting are in the best interest of the children and why you need the financial support. Practice your testimony so that you can present it confidently and clearly in court. It is important to know that what the court will consider when making its decisions. For example, when a judge is deciding temporary custody, the judge will focus on what is in the best interest of the child. Having an experienced family law attorney can help you to understand these legal standards and to present your case effectively. On the day of the hearing, make sure to arrive early, dress appropriately, and be respectful in the courtroom. How you conduct yourself can leave a lasting impression on the judge. In Sarah's case, the thorough preparation paid off. The judge granted her temporary primary custody of the children and ordered that her husband pay both child support and temporary spousal support. Sarah was also granted exclusive use of the marital home in the divorce proceedings. These temporary orders can provide her with the stability and financial support that is needed while working towards a final resolution in her case. Temporary orders hearings are often the first significant step in a divorce or custody case. They often set the tone for how the case will proceed and can have a long-lasting impact on your situation. Proper preparation is key to achieving a significant favorable outcome. Thank you for watching. If you found this information to be helpful, Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legal insights. And remember, we are here to help. And until next time, take care and stay informed.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.